most way uncomfortable.
Wagwan me this and that family, this is your Jamaican girl Trisha, and today, guess what, I will be traveling. So guess what, I'm going through the airport right here in Montego Bay, Jamaica, and I'm going to be taking you to look at some things Jamaican in the airport. So you will be learning to talk Jamaican and you'll be seeing some amazing things. So walk on a journey with me, no man. Come along. Wow, this is so beautiful and creative. Unleash the Jamaican vibes. 15% on selected food items. This is like a jerk pan, guys, with so many Jamaican old jerk. Yes, spice. This one is honey. Wow, this is really nice. This one is what? Curry seasoning. And the one here, well, everybody know easy spice, curry powder, meat seasoning and stuff. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment, hit the post notification bell for more amazing videos. Guys, as we go along through the airport, we're gonna just look at some things that are Jamaican. So I just showed you the jerk pan that has a whole lot, the layout was so beautiful with a whole lot of spices. So you're coming to, I mean, I'm not like promoting anything, but yeah. So over here I see Jamaican frozen beef patties. Yes guys, so that was like Jamaican frozen beef patty. So you know, say once you come to Jamaica and you're going back, one of the things that people are asking for, they wanted to bring back patty for them. Yeah? Okay guys, so this is another interesting thing in the Sangsters International Airport here in Montego Bay, Jamaica. Look guys. This is a Volkswagen. I don't know the year, but look at it guys. Beautiful. Nice. And the old enamel mug them, they have revamped them. Yes. And then shirts, King of Reggae. Yeah. Jamaica, no problem man, no problem. We say out of many, one people. And the reason why we say out of many, one people is that Jamaica is made up of many different races. Now if you go back in the history of Jamaica, you will see that people came here from Europe, all around the world. The Chinese, the Indians, the Europeans, and of course, predominantly the Africans. So Jamaica, yeah man. Alright, so let's go over there and look at some of those Jamaican stuff. I think these are Jamaican kids stuff. One thing is drawing me to it. Rastatam. Yeah. Inhale the good shit. Exhale the bullshit. Jamaica. One love.
This most way uncomfortable. Can you imagine a bobsled in this? Come here. Guys, so Jamaican this, Jamaican that. Make we chat. Can you imagine the guys who represented Jamaica in a bobsled thing like this? It's just so confined, man. This must have been very uncomfortable. And they did such a phenomenal job and put Jamaica on top. Awesome.
Jeffrey Chambers, GS12502.
One love, one heart. Let's get together and feel alright. Yes, Jamaican sing. Irish Jamaica. Love Jamaica. One love Jamaica and things. So guys, I hope you are enjoying this vlog so far. Here ya. So guys, I've been teaching you. If you go back to my previous vlogs, you will see where I'm teaching you how to talk Jamaican. I'm here with the beautiful Trudy, and I'm gonna do a little thing. I'm gonna show them a Jamaican slang, and you are going to tell them what it means. All right? So the first one is big up.
Big up is basically saying, hey, what's up? What's going on? It's just a cool way of saying hi or hey.
All right, so big up. Tell the people them to big up.
Big up everybody.
All right, so the next one now is this one. Walk good.
All right, what is basically saying bye-bye, have a good journey. It's just basically saying goodbye. So you're basically wishing a person safe travel.
Safe travel.
Basically.
Yeah. All right, and I did do this one before, and I told you the meaning. That one says bless up, and the one there said turn up. What that means, Trudy?
Turn up means basically turn up what I mean.
It's
in American language would be turned up.
Right.
Means something exciting, get excited. You know, being optimistic, being
yes.
in the mood of being.
Yes. So for me, when I say things turn up, mean that things are at an excellent quality or excellent level. Right. So the whole of you guys, turn up. Come on the journey with us.
Swanning Airlines Flight 7431 with services into Dorset is invited all remaining passengers and all remaining rows. Once again, all remaining passengers and all remaining rows, you're welcome to board using gate number 9. Your flight is ready for an early departure.
Swanning Airlines Flight 7431 with services in Toronto is ready.
Bye. Thank you for watching.